What is up, everybody? How's it going? All right, so today I got just a quick little video on the Supreme Suspension 3-inch lift spacers. I also have a level kit that I'm going to be installing. This is for the 2007 Toyota 4Runner 4.7 liter V8 that I've been doing a lot of videos on lately. I'm going to be leveling and lifting it. So it's going to get a 3-inch level and lift. So this is going to act as a 3-inch lift, as well as it's going to level out the front. I'm going to do a separate video on the rear, but stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a install video on YouTube. So if you guys want to see the full length video, you guys are going to want to go check out the Antonio Claudio Michael YouTube channel. And I'll give you guys some highlights on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and stuff. So this kit comes with a large Supreme suspension sticker, comes with a large round. It comes with two small ones. These actually go on here on the actual spacer. Comes with a little instruction guide for 2003 to 2003 plus 4Runners, 2007 to 2015 Toyota FJ Cruisers, 2005 plus Toyota Tacomas. Kit also came with an air freshener, which I thought was kind of neat. Came with a bottle opener, bottle opener, and it came with this guy right here, which is not needed in my application. It is for if you have original OEM McPherson struts. Also works with the I can't remember the name offhand. Let me see. Let me just pull it out of the paper out. It goes there. It also works for Monroe's. Shock mount extenders for Monroe's. Shocks only. So we don't have Monroe shocks, so these are not going to be needed. It also comes with a little pamphlet right here. Recovery gear, Amazon, eBay, and other orders places. And then it just has this little attention, stock height, 1 thick spacer, plus 2-inch lift height. So these are a 3-to-1 ratio or a 2-to-1 ratio. So a 1.5 inch spacer is what these are. It will give you a 3-inch lift. So these are compounding spacers. So it's just giving you information. Oh, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So please note that the lift height to spacer thickness is typically a 2-to-1 ratio. So a 1-inch thick spacer will provide 2 inches of lift. A 1.5 inch spacer provides 3 inches of lift. That's a little sticker. You probably put it on your window so that way people know that it has a lift. You'll be able to tell. So these are the blue spacers that I got from Supreme Suspension. The way these work is that you're going to take your strut assembly out in the front. The studs you're gonna basically put this spacer on the studs with these slots right here, and then you're gonna take your original nuts and you're going to thread them on the studs and lock this spacer down onto the strut assembly. And then these bolts are going to be your replacement of the stud and nut setup, and these are going to go into your strut assembly mount housing on the truck. So it's a pretty nice little kit. This kit was like $56, something like that. This will work for 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runners, as well as I'm not going to be installing this one on the 2007 4Runner. I'm actually going to install this, or attempt to install this, and see if this could work on the 2000 4Runner that I have, the Limited. See if this will fit on that. I'm not sure if they will. I think they might be different part numbers or different different sizes, but these are going to be in extra stock as well, so it's not a big deal. You know, it's just another extra set. This is not going to go on the 2007 at the moment. I actually have a red set that you guys have seen the video right before this. That will definitely be going on the truck. So this will be a spare set if I ever damage the red set, or if I can't get these to fit on a 2000 style model 4runner, a 3rd gen. These may only be for 4th gens. I could be wrong, but you know, I do have a set of these on a 1997, which is a 3rd gen. 96 to 2002 is a 3rd gen, so we'll see. If not, I have extras. My wife kind of wants a 4th gen, so who knows, maybe I'll pick up another 4th gen and these will just be slapped onto another 4th gen. But that's all I got for you guys. Just a quick video. Nice little kit from Supreme Suspension. I got another box down here with the rears. We're going to do a video on that as well. But pretty simple, nice kit. It's kind of neat that they gave you a box, not a box, but a bottle opener. It's nice that they supply this, even though some may not need it. But I have aftermarket shocks on it anyways, or they're not aftermarket, they're TRD Pro shocks. So these aren't going to be needed. But just a quick video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to look out for the video on YouTube at Antonio's Automotive, or Antonio Claudio Michael's YouTube channel. The Antonio's Automotive is actually my business. Sorry, guys. But just a quick little video. Make sure you look out for on all the social medias as well as YouTube for the upcoming install video, and I will see you guys next time.